Stop worrying about unauthorized purchases or mature content on your Sling TV account. Here's how to lock your profiles with a custom PIN code in 3 easy steps. Step 1 is accessing your account settings. While Sling TV has multiple profiles, security is handled through a master account-wide PIN. First, log into your Sling TV account on a web browser. Click your profile icon in the top right and select Settings from the drop-down menu. From the sidebar, choose Content Controls. This is where you manage all parental and security restrictions for your account. Next, toggle the parental controls switch to On. This will activate the security layer across all your signed-in devices. Step 2 is creating your PIN. You will be prompted to enter a unique 4-digit passcode that you'll use to authorize restricted actions. Enter your chosen PIN twice to confirm. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Step 3 is customization. You can lock specific content ratings like TVMA or R, ensuring mature content is hidden behind your new PIN. Crucially, you should also enable restrict purchases and rentals to prevent any accidental charges on your account. These settings sync instantly on your smart TV or streaming device. You can find these same options under the settings gear icon. Navigate to the account section. Here you can verify your active services and manage your parental control status. Select parental controls to adjust your rating restrictions or change your passcode directly from your television interface. For mobile users, open the app, tap the menu icon and go to settings. The process is just as quick on your phone or tablet. Enable the controls and set your PIN to keep your account secure while you're on the go. One PIN protects everything. That's it. Your Sling TV account is now fully secured. For more quick and easy tech tutorials, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'll see you in the next one.